Do all parts of earth get heated equally? Or in other words, are all regions of earth equally hot? You have studied geography and you know on equator the sun rays fall directly, and the result is that the areas or the regions which are on the equator or even closer to the equator are hotter, while poles are much colder. Now this causes currents of wind. Now the equator is hot and poles are cold. So what happens is that the air above the equator gets heated up, expands, become lighter and rises up, and the result is that on the equator or the regions near the equator air pressure is less. So the cold wind blows from the north and south pole towards the equator, or you can say the wind will blow from north to south and from south to north, but that does not happen exactly. However, the direction of wind keeps changing because earth is also rotating. Now this uneven heating is not only on earth, there is uneven heating of land as well as water, and that is why we have sea breeze and land breeze. Now during the day what happens is that the land gets heated up, and as a result the air above land also gets heated up. It rises up and an area or a region of low air pressure gets created. Now to cover up this, wind from the sea blows towards the land, and this is called sea breeze, and that is why we feel cold breeze coming from the sea. And exactly the reverse happens at night, because water takes longer to get cooled and also longer to get heated up. So as a result at night land is cooler and sea is hotter. So the air above the sea rises up, and above the sea there is a region of low air pressure, and so at night the breeze from land moves towards the sea, and that is called land breeze, and this is causing convection of air or convection currents, all due to uneven heating. During rainy season the sea breeze is full of water vapors, and that is why it brings rain, and we call it the monsoons. The monsoon word in Arabic means mausam, weather. So the monsoons which we wait so eagerly, they bring in rains because they are full of water vapors, and in winters we get the winter monsoon. So like this we get rains due to monsoons, and we are so heavily dependent upon rains for our water resources and especially for agriculture. So that is why so many poets have written so many poems about rain. Not only it brings in water, it is also a beautiful experience. Have you ever taken bath in rainwater or in rain? Isn't it very enjoyable?